Alright guys, like always, I have no script. I'm just gonna answer this question as you were in front of me. As if I was not looking to the camera, but I was looking directly at you. And as if you asked me this question: can YouTube change your life with less than 1,000 subscribers? Has YouTube changed my life with less than 1,000 subscribers? Well, I think it's a little too much to say that YouTube have changed my life, or YouTube can change your life with less than 1,000 subscribers, but YouTube can definitely change you. YouTube can definitely improve you as a person. That's what I would say. And I'm gonna give you a couple of reasons just from the top of my head. And the first one is, and I have another video about this, has YouTube changed my life, or how has YouTube changed my life with less than 500 subscribers? But I wanted to make a follow-up video to emphasize on a few things, and one of them is communication and confidence. Now, I would not describe myself as lacking confidence before I started YouTube, but YouTube helped me improve my confidence even more. Like, I am recording this video right now. I'm not even gonna check it on YouTube. I'm saying whatever I'm saying, just as I said in the beginning of this video, just as if I was talking to a friend. And I'm able to look in front of the camera and talk. Now, there is, of course, a lot to improve in my... I was talking about confidence, but now I'm talking about there's a lot to improve in my communication skills, because communication, like, you will become a better communicator. And as I said, there is a lot of things that I have to improve still. One of the things is, I know I usually talk too slow, or most of the time I talk too slow. But man, YouTube can really help you, can really help you become a better communicator. And I'm gonna tell you a little story. So maybe some of you have heard about Toastmasters, and some maybe have not heard about it. But Toastmasters is a public speaking club where, you can find the Toastmasters club pretty much anywhere around the world in the big cities. In fact, I did a little bit of research, and there are a couple of Toastmasters clubs here in Kuala Lumpur. And as I said, they're public speaking clubs. And actually, in my time when I was in Copenhagen, in Denmark, I joined one of these clubs, and I stayed there for about a year, all right? And I remembered that we would have these impromptu talks that we would be able to give, if you volunteered. And I would be pretty nervous, and it will be difficult for me to organize the ideas in my mind. Now, what I can say, I haven't joined, or I haven't visited the Toastmasters club here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, but, well, I would like to do so. I don't know if I will have the time. However, I can tell you, I actually have no... I don't feel I would be nervous, or is the type of nervousness that I would really enjoy, going in front on the scene and talking in front of a bunch of people, And 100% this I can attribute to YouTube, to be honest. There is power in recording a video and publishing it on a public platform, and knowing that anyone can watch your videos, and knowing that any video can go viral and thousands of people or tens of thousands of people can end up watching you. It also takes self-acceptance, I would say. And YouTube teaches you that. YouTube teaches you that. You know, I have my flaws when I talk. I have other flaws, you know, when I'm recording videos like that. Obviously, English is not my native language. But still, I'm doing it. And why? Because why not? YouTube is a free platform. Anyone can post. What is the worst that can happen? What is the worst that can happen? Maybe no one watches your videos because you're too boring. Maybe there's enough people that watch your videos, like one of your videos might go semi-viral, and you get a few hate comments. Or a few haters who hate you. Not just what you say, but they hate you. Let me tell you something. This is a great thing. Like another benefit is the haters. Is the people who are hating on what you say and are hating you. And why is that? And I haven't heard people on YouTube talking about this, but why is that? And why is that for me? But before I give you the reasons, let me tell you, I'm a human too, just like you, you know. Of course, I react, or I tend to react when I see a hate comment. Like, I might get a little peeved. I think that's the right word, you know. A little angry sometimes, you know. But then, you know, after a couple of seconds, or a few seconds, I remember that this is actually a good thing. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 people who hate you because they're seeing your videos, and they might think, who knows what they might think about you, right? They might think you're dumb, they might think you're ugly, they might think your English is BS, they might think you're a scammer, they might say you're lying, and this and that. Well, let me tell you, those people, they are a blessing. They are a blessing. Why? Because they're gonna make you more resilient. Alright? I mean, YouTube, or being a YouTuber, is... in fact, I don't even associate myself with that, and I probably would never associate myself with being a YouTuber. I'm just a messenger. Not necessarily, I'm not a YouTuber, I'm just a messenger. I'm sending a message, all right? I would rather like to be considered an orator, a good orator, than a good YouTuber. But anyways, that's besides the point. I forgot what I wanted to say. But bottom line, we were talking about haters, right? Oh yeah. What I wanted to say is that YouTube for me is not my end goal. Like having 1,000 subscribers, 100,000, 1,000,000 subscribers, or whatever. That's not like, I'm not gonna be able to say, okay, now I can die because I fulfill my purpose on this planet. There's much more to life than having followers, making a lot of money, and being famous, alright? So YouTube, and that's also, by the way guys, that's also part of why I am testing different things here on the channel, like different type of content and so on. But that's also that's also one of the reasons why I don't want to do certain things. And even though I believe certain things might get me more views and more subscribers, I don't wanna compromise who I am for that. if I don't ever get to 1,000 subscribers, even though I have 933 at the moment of recording this video, I have 933 people who subscribe to the channel. But if I was to never get to 1,000 subscribers, unless I don't know, did some stupid dances, because that will make people subscribe to me, well, I'm not willing to do that. If I feel like I want to do that, and it resonates with who I am or with who I am in the present moment, then I will do it, but I'm not gonna do it only to get more subscribers. Now, that being said, of course, I'm trying to make my videos interesting. I'm trying to provide you guys with value. But at the same time, I want to stay true to who I am. Okay? And anyways, saying all this to say that I think there are greater things in life that, or at least for me, there are greater things in life or more important things in life that I want to do or that I want to attempt to do than YouTube. However, YouTube is amazing because any person in history who tried to do anything great have received a lot of criticism. So YouTube for me is amazing. When I receive criticism on YouTube from some people who don't even have a photo on their profile picture and their real name, well, for me it's good. It's great because it prepares me for other things in my life in the future, maybe in like 10, 20, 30 years, that I'm thinking I want to do, who are more important than YouTube. So it makes me stronger. It makes me more resilient. So I love all of the comments, both bad and good. Of course, I'm a human. It really touches me when someone says something good or when I receive compliments, like any of us, okay? But at the same time, I see it as a training when I get a few people who criticize me in the comment section. So that's another huge benefit. And trust me, it's a benefit. It is a benefit. So the fact that you're improving your confidence, I think I mentioned 3 things, right? Improved confidence, improved communication skills. I also mentioned self-acceptance. YouTube helps you or forces you to be comfortable with yourself, right? I make mistakes in all of my videos. I stumble. I make grammar mistakes. Okay, when I edit the videos, like when I do a few cuts at the beginning and at the end, I sometimes see a few mistakes that I'm making, but so be it. Okay? As I said, I prefer to have these videos raw. I feel like I'm talking to you right now. So it's okay. I make mistakes. It's okay. I don't mind. But anyways, yeah, self-acceptance, and then also hate. Whenever you get a little bit of hate, of course, like when you're small on the platform as I am, you don't get a lot because there's also not a lot of people watching you. But when you do get it, it's great. I don't usually get hate comments when I have like 50 views on a video, okay? I would get hate comments when I have like a few thousand views. So that means the video is performing well. More people see it, and yeah, it's a higher chance that you also get some hate. But as I said, hate is one of the benefits. And those people think they harm me. As I said in the beginning, yes, I do have the tendency of reacting, or it's like kind of pushing my buttons. But then I'm happy. I'm happy I get them because I know I'm being true to myself, and if someone criticizes me, so be it. No problem. I'm getting stronger mentally. All right. It's training. It's getting me ready for greater things in life. So it's the same for you. YouTube is not necessarily going to change your life. Well, at least not with less than 1,000 subscribers. But YouTube can improve you, can make you better as a human, as a person, as a man, as a woman. Okay? YouTube can make you better. And now, sorry, I'm not even talking about the fact that you can make money with YouTube and that I have made money with YouTube providing coaching to the people that were interested in, you know, what I have to offer, which is Facebook ads and Instagram ads. That's what I do for a living, for clients. And then people reach out to me and they want to know about how I can help them, and some of them become clients. So that's it. But I'm not even talking about this. It's more the intangibles, you know. So YouTube, with less than 1,000 subscribers, have not changed my life, and most probably not gonna change your life. But it will most definitely improve your life, make you a better person. That's it. That's all I wanted to say in this video, and see you in the next one.